Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 46. In the last video we saw finally block. In this video we are going to discuss about a nested exception handling block. Let's consider here we have a 10 statement inside a try block. Only the second statement throwing error. Because that second statement throwing error, the remaining 8 statement not execute because all these 10 statement we put inside a try block. Here you can see sometime a situation come in a try, catch or finally block. We write a few statement because arise error in a one statement, remaining statement not execute. For handle that statement exception, we need to write a nested try catch block. Here we have a nested try catch block or nested try catch finally block. Inside a try block, inside a catch block and inside a finally block we can write another try catch block, and we have a nested try catch with finally block. Inside a try block, inside a catch block or inside a finally block we can write another try catch finally block. Okay, let's open Eclipse and let's understand practically. I'll simply open Eclipse and I'll simply create here one new class. I'll simply give name part 46. Here I'll simply create a main method. Inside a main method we will simply put few statement. Okay, I'll simply system.out.println. Here 1111, this one is the first statement. Okay, let's copy this, paste. Okay, here we have a 5 statement. In a second statement I'll simply put here 10 divided by 0. Okay, let's save this and add this code all inside a try block. Okay, try block, and let's add here catch for handle that exception e, and simply print that here e dot print extract trace. Okay, then we have a finally block also. Let's add here finally block as well, and inside a finally block right here simply close connection. Okay, and after this final block I'll add one more statement, system.out.println. this one is a, I'll simply change here 111, then 222, then 333, then here 444, and here 555. You can see here we have a total. Here we have a first, in the first try block here we have a 5 statement, and after this try catch finally we have a one more statement. Let's save this and run this. You can see here first statement execute, then here second statement exception arise, and because that whatever add we inside a try block, whatever remaining statement, those statement not execute because arise exception in a second statement only. Okay, so how can we handle this situation? We can do one thing. We can only keep this thing inside this try catch block, but we don't know, sometime error come inside a second statement, sometime error came inside the third statement, sometime fourth statement, this kind of situation. But every time error come in a only second statement, as well as some minor time error came this remaining statement, because that we need to add this code only inside a try block. Okay, now I want to handle this second statement, because every single time this second statement throwing error, because that remaining statement will not executing. So how can we do that? We can do one thing. We can simply add one more try block inside this try block. Okay, that we call inner try catch block. Okay, simply add here try, inside only this second statement, keep this inside this inner try block. Okay, here this try block, and I'll simply add here catch, and here exception e, and simply print here message 𝗧𝗢𝗍 e dot get message. Okay, let's save this, run this. You can see our first statement execute, then our this second statement we simply add inside a nested try catch block. This second statement only handle here. Okay, then remaining statement also executed, second, third and fourth, this statement also executed properly. Okay, here we can simply add a try catch block inside a try catch block. Okay, that's nothing but nested try catch block. Here we can add a finally block also. Okay, finally block. Here we can simply SYSO nested close connection. Okay, let's save this, run this. You can see first inner try catch block finally block execute, then outer try catch block finally block execute. Okay, let's fix this code, or we can say format this code, then we can simply understand better. Okay, you can see here we simply add this try block. Inside a try block we add another try block, another catch block, another finally block. The same thing inside a try block, here we simply add a try catch block. The same thing we can add this try catch block inside a catch block also. Inside a catch block we can add a nested try catch block. Okay, let's change here simply EE. Here also we can see inside a catch block also we can add a nested try catch block. Let's save this, run this. You can see here first execute, because here there is no error inside this try block, because this inner try catch block only handle this error. There is no error came inside this outer try catch block, because that catch block not execute. Okay, let's add here some exceptional code. I'll simply copy this line and I'll simply put here this line. Okay, let's save and run this, and you can see first our inner statement execute. Okay, then divide by 0, then nested close connection, this nested close connection, this block execute here. Okay, then we simply add one more statement there, that statement arise exception, and simply jump our control in a catch block or handle that exception. Inside a catch block here also we add another try catch block. Okay, that's why here 2 times we got divide by 0, divide by 0. Okay, so in this way we can write inside a try block another try catch block, inside a catch block we can write another try catch block, as well as we can write inside a finally block also another try catch block. Okay, let's copy this all this code and add that all code inside this finally block, and let's run this. You can see here 3 times we got nested 0, divide by 0, divide by 0, divide by 0. Okay, because 3 times we simply write here nested try catch block. Inside a try block we write another try catch block. Inside a catch block also we write another try catch block. Inside a finally block also we write another try catch block. So in this way we can simply write a nested try catch block for handle a nested exception. So in this video that's it. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.